Discover the coolest kitchen and home gadgets that are changing everyday life. These smart inventions bring convenience, speed, and fun into your daily routine. Electric Can Opener. This tool makes opening cans effortless with just one simple button. Its hands-free design smoothly cuts around the lid without sharp edges, making cooking safer and easier for everyone. Compact, smart, and convenient, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for modern homes. Cheese Grater. The rotary cheese grater transforms food preparation into a quick and satisfying experience. With its rotating handle and sharp drum blades, it effortlessly grates cheese, vegetables, nuts, and more in seconds. Safe, easy to use, and highly efficient, it's a must-have kitchen tool for cooking lovers. Slushie Machine. This machine lets you create refreshing frozen drinks right at home in minutes. From colorful slushies to icy smoothies and frozen juices, this machine turns ordinary beverages into fun summer treats. Its modern design and easy operation make it perfect for parties and family fun. Rechargeable electric gas lighter. The rechargeable electric gas lighter offers a modern and safer way to light candles, stoves, and grills without flames or fuel. Its windproof electric arc technology works instantly and can be recharged easily through USB. Stylish, reusable, and eco-friendly, it's a smart upgrade from traditional lighters. Blackstone Electric Griddle. The electric griddle brings restaurant-style cooking right into your home or outdoor setup. Its large, flat cooking surface is perfect for burgers, pancakes, steaks, and breakfast meals all at once. Powerful heating and easy cleaning make it ideal for food lovers and family gatherings.